All right, how's it going, future travel agents or current travel agents? In today's video, we're going to show you how to send a cruise quote using Carnival. All right, I'm Larry Porter with Majestic Travel, and you do not want to miss this. We'll be right back. All right, everybody, welcome back, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to send a cruise quote using Carnival. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to log into your GoCCL. Okay, this is the website you want to go to, goccl.com/login. So I already get logged in here. Let me sign in. I got my information put up. Now you can't go through Carnival directly. You have to go through the travel agent portal, which is goccl.com. So let's sign in. All right, so now what you want to do is first create a booking. So let's say we're going to do an individual stateroom for the sake of this video. Let's say our client wants to cruise from, let's say in November sometime. Let's say October 1st, October 30th. Now, maximum date range is 90 days. So you can do up to 90 days. But for this video, we just do search the whole month that you put in. So we put in October for this one. So let's say they want to go, they don't have a specific destination, but let's say they want to port from New Orleans. And we can leave this blank so we can get more options to pull up. And just hit search. Oh, we do have to put a destination in. Caribbean cruise. Now hit search. Okay. So these are a list of options that come up. What I like to do is like to sort from low to high. Okay. So let's say we got a 4-day Western Caribbean cruise porting out of New Orleans. So let's say we want to select this cruise and do a quick quote. So one thing you do here is select the option. Boom. Okay. Let it load. Okay. You don't have to put any of this information in yet. All you want to do is have the option to do a quick quote, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So now you land on this page. You're going to select your rate code for your cruise. So if you want to do fund select, I always like to select the first option, the one that comes with the upgrades. You want to give them a quote that has the option for upgrades. Now these other lower options don't have upgrades, so I always like doing the fund select. We have upgrades if they want to upgrade to specific cabins or do add-ons to their cruise, they can. Okay, so let's say we're going to select this one. Now, you can come in here and do a quick quote. Now, if you select this will go into like the booking process where you have to enter the names and all that information, but we haven't got that far yet. We just want to give our clients an estimate. Okay, so let's say our clients wanted a ocean view. They inquired about an ocean view. So you got prices on ocean view. Let's say you want to do you can also change the deck preference. Some options will have upper deck, lower deck, Riviera, Main. Some options will have only these. So it depends on, which deck you select. They have certain options. But anyway, we'll just leave it to any, depending on what your clients ask for. They may not ask for all this information, but you can just give them a quote, just to leave it on any. So we're going to do the $4.92, $2 cheaper. We'll give our client a quote from that one. No, let's do the $4.89. $4.89. Yeah, a little bit cheaper. So now is click quick quote. Now, as you can see here, this gives your clients all the breakdown. That's it. It's give them the cruise rate, the miscellaneous charges, everything. Even if they want to add gratuity, this is optional. Okay, add gratuity or add vacation protection, which is optional. So this is going to be all you have to do is send your clients for the cruise. So now all you do now, make sure you have it on. It's going to automatically default to guest view. But if you want to see your commission based upon this quote, all you do is change to agent view. You can change the agent view and it's going to show you how much your commission would be. Okay, it's going to show you all the different breakdowns for the agent side, your net cruise line amount, gross amount, things of that nature. But I always change it back to guest view before you send out your quote. So now, like I said, once you land on this page, it's automatically defaulted in guest view. So once you land on this page, all you have to do is email your client. So all you do now is just pop your client's email in there, hit send. Okay, this is how it would look on your client's end. Okay, this is how it looks on their behalf. So if you click on print page, you can see how it will look on your clients in their email. So it's going to show you the agency name. Ours is IntelliTravel. Your agent name, which is Larry Porter. Your agency phone number. It's going to give your clients all the information, how much money they need, how much their deposit would be, when it's needed by, when final payments due, and everything. All this would be sent to your clients in an email. So, like I said, once you land on this page, just pop in their email, hit send, and that's it. The quote's done. So, I like doing quotes directly with the supplier, especially Carnival, because it's quick and easy. You know specifically what they're looking for, and it's easy to send within a matter of seconds. I use IntelliTravel booking engine for looking up multiple suppliers. The booking engine has a huge database of all the cruise lines. But I mainly use Carnival. So if I know specifically I'm using Carnival, I just go straight to Carnival and do this process. And plus, they send emails to your client and get them the quote instantly. So I like that option. Okay. So guys, I just hope you found value from this video. Just wanted to share this quick information with you, how to send a quick quote using Carnival. So if you found value, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you on the next video. Oh, by the way, if you or anybody you know is looking to become a travel agent, make sure you click that link below to watch a free presentation or share the presentation. All right. Larry Porter signing off, and we'll see you on the next one. Happy traveling. Bye-bye.